my God.
Okay, so he's dead. I killed him with the spear that my son made me, which worked really good. But I did knock off 3 of the tines, which means it probably won't work so good next time.
Oh my goodness.
Pretty sure this is a poisonous snake because his head
is triangular.
than his body, and it's triangular. Also, the inside of his mouth, where it's not bloody from me beating him to death, is white.
White, yeah.
Which means he's probably, most likely,
It looks like a cottonmouth.
a cottonmouth. See?
Yeah.
Can you see inside? I can't really get that open.
I know, but
See,
let me
can you see
get
it?
close.
Well,
Be still. Just be still. Just be still. Let me see if I can. Yes. If you can be still. Now let me get to it. Hang on. Got it zoomed in so far. Yeah.
So this is the difference between panicking and just saying, I need to go get my snake killing stick and take him out. He was in the...
He was in the egg thingy, right?
Was in the nest box.
Yes.
You can see where, when I killed him, I busted an egg inside of him.
Yes.
Okay. He's roughly... He's a big boy.
He's 3 feet long at least, isn't he?
Yeah, at least. Let me give him up here and we'll see for sure. Because sometimes you can't. Come on, Spear.
It's
Just
breaking.
Keep working a few more minutes.
He's breaking. His little tines are dying.
Yeah, right. I can't know. I am not picking
It's out. Mouth just opened.
Well, it's dead, honey.
Okay.
It's just that's just its last hurrah.
Last.
So we'll stab him in the head again anyway, just to be on the safe side. But that's their last hurrah. They're nasty snakes, so they do horrible things, like they keep convulsing for hours after they're dead. Any rate, okay, so here's what I wanted to talk about. We'll do it here in the chicken yard. We'll have a big discussion.
Okay.
Okay, so I just talked to somebody. If you've watched any of these, you know I cuss like a sailor.
Right.
So I just talked to somebody who made a point of saying that they never cuss. And I told them the absolute truth. I don't trust anybody who doesn't cuss. Why is that? Because we live in Bible thumper land, and anyone who doesn't cuss is a Bible thumper. And so I already don't trust them. Okay, so, but also, what kind of person goes to get the eggs, runs into something like that, and doesn't go, holy shit!
Yeah, exactly.
I don't trust people that when they run into a snake in the egg box, don't say, holy shit!
Exactly.
That's just wrong.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
yes, I don't trust people that don't cuss, because as far as I'm concerned, they are phony motherfuckers. Is that correct? No, I'm sure some of you nice people going, I don't cuss.
Yeah.
I don't cuss. I don't mind listening to you cuss, but I don't cuss. Well, that's all well and good. I don't trust you either. She asked me point blank, then you don't trust me? I'm like, no, because you don't cuss. Yeah. And it's mostly because I grew up here, you know.
Well, my mother would tell you that she doesn't cuss.
I know.
But I've got news for you. When she throws herself a walleye fit, she will stand in the middle of the living room, throw her fists around, and scream, tough titty, and other kinds of things.
Well,
so, and for her, that's cussing.
Well, and for me, I don't care, of course, because we all know I cuss like a sailor. And here's the thing, people. If I thought it was wrong, I wouldn't do it.
Exactly. Yeah.
What a concept.
Yeah.
I wouldn't tell other people don't do that. It's not. There are things that people say, cutesy little things that they say, not mean things, because I will call them on that. But there are cutesy fucking things they say that get on my last goddamn nerve.
Yeah.
When somebody's being an obvious phony, it gets on my last damn nerve.
Yep.
But I don't tell them how to talk, and I don't appreciate being told how to talk. Furthermore, how do you deal with a snake in your nest box if you don't
Exactly.
cuss? Chucky darn, that's still cussing.
Yes, it is.
There's no difference between dang it and damn it.
No, there isn't.
There's no difference between shucks and shit.
No.
Quit pretending. At any rate, I'm going to put him in the burn barrel. We'll burn him up tomorrow when I burn the trash. He is dead. I hit him 47,000 times with a shovel. Somebody's going to immediately call us, that's not a poisonous snake. Here's the problem, people. If it looks like a duck and it quacks like a duck, I'm going to eat it for dinner.
Yes.
If it looks like a poisonous snake and it acts like he came after me.
Yeah.
If it looks like a poisonous snake and acts like a poisonous snake, I'm going to kill it like a poisonous snake.
Yep.
So I'm sorry for everybody who's a reptile lover.
Yeah.
I'm not a reptile
Hater.
hater.
As a matter of fact, we have lizard habitats.
Lizard habitats.
Yeah.
We pick turtles up and put them on the property all the time.
And we let every non-poisonous
snake.
snake.
King snakes.
Yeah.
We let the king snakes live. We let the garter snakes live.
The racers.
We let the blue. We have a blue racer. We have a black racer. He's huge. He's like this big.
Yeah, big.
We let them live.
Uh-huh.
I've even chased the black racer out of my nest box.
Yes, not killed him.
And not killed him, even though I probably should have, because he's eating eggs like a mother.
Yeah.
But
that's why he's so big.
But yeah, they're gross. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a water moccasin. But I'm sure that all of you are going to go, no, it's not, because there's red markings. Sometimes water moccasins
Yes, they do.
are red here. And as you can see, he's got a triangular-shaped head.
Yes, it does.
It's bigger than his neck. A non-poisonous snake, his head should be smaller than his neck. Anyway, he doesn't get to scare me.
Nope.
It's a waste of perfectly good oh shit. But yeah. God dang it. My spear's not working. Oh, you can see he's a bigger.
He's a bigger.
Now he's puking. Look at there. That's
Yeah.
gross. That's going to wind
That's
up
egg.
at 6 o'clock. That's the egg that busted inside of him. Get down in there. There you go.
Now he'll be burned up with the trash
Another one
tomorrow.
bites the dust. Here's the truth, people. Cussing was outlawed by the gentry because it's what the peasants said when they were working for the brutal gentry.
Right.
And they called it curse words because they decided that they were being cursed by the peasants.
Well, then they were speaking a different language and they didn't know what they were saying.
If you don't want to cuss, that's fine. Don't cuss. Don't go out of your way to cuss. Who cares?
Mm-hmm.
Literally, who cares?
Mm-hmm.
But quit telling everybody else how to talk.
Mm-hmm.
Because that's bullshit.
Are we good?
We're good. That's a little mini segment.
Okay. Yeah, it's cool. Bye.
Bye.